Hello everyone and welcome back to another Easy Way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix Modern Warfare 3 and Warzone Dev Error 5820 in a private match. Well, there are many methods, but the first one is to restart the game and restart the console to see if this is working, because this will eliminate all the temporary files that are causing the error. Also, I said console, but you can do it on PC, don't worry. So the next step, the method 2, is to check for updates and install them, then try again. Going by the method 3, you have to check the game server status on website, looking on Google. For example, you can do this, let me see, Modern Warfare 3 server status, the same with Warzone, don't worry, and you press the first option, and here you can check if your game is having any issue. In this case there are not issues right now, so I'm going to get to the method 4, that is update Windows. So you have to look for Windows update. This will not work on console because this is for Windows. Check here if there is any update, and then just restart the PC with the update and check again. And the last method is going to Steam. So you go like this on Steam, you have to go to the library and imagine that this game is the Modern Warfare or the Warzone. Go to properties, and once you're here you have to go to installed files, and you have to press verify these game files are installed correctly, verify integrity of game files, and this will take a very few minutes, and then you probably will be able to play again the game. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell in the description button, and see you next time in another Easy Way video. Goodbye and Easy Way.